The Cadillac enjoys a first-class reputation or stature in popular rock culture, seemingly ubiquitous or omnipresent in song titles and lyrics. That is, it was not scarce or scant and not featured in cover art for albums and even as a symbol of the 1950s. So choice A is incorrect answer. We cannot accept it. Now, the Cadillac's place in popular culture continues dynamically to be ruled or reigned by the automaker's most legendary and emblematic vehicles, still continuously sought after or crabbed by collectors around the world. So choice B and choice C are the correct answers. Which of the following is true regarding the issue? Hillary is blamed by Trump. If we read the passage, we can see that the passage is not discussing anything about the support for Trump. Choice A is so incorrect. Vermont senator who challenged Hillary Clinton for the Democratic nomination. Trump picked this point on Sunday to once again blame Democrats for their election conduct. Choice C thus show a little relevancy to be a correct answer, but it is clear that Hillary encountered as a nominee from the Democrats, challenged and blamed by the senator and Trump. Choice B is more relevant to be a correct answer. Moreover, the grassroots campaign, the grassroots campaign from Bernie Sanders has been disparaged, that is belittled. So choice D is also incorrect. The passage does not give any information about the relationship between Obama and Hillary and Trump, only blasted Obama according to the passage. So choice E is an incorrect answer. So the correct answer is choice B.